Good morning, students. So today we'll be learning about fractions. Okay, so look at the first line here. In all fractions there is a number above and a number below the division line. So just like here, 3 by 4, right? So this is the division line. Okay, so this is the division line. So in all fractions there is a number above. See, this is a number above the division line and a number below the division line. This is a number below the division line, right? So in all fractions there is a number above and a number below the division line. Okay, so now let us look here. Numerator. What is a numerator? The number above the division line is called the numerator. So in the example I've given 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is a fraction, right? So here, what is the numerator? 3 is the numerator. Why is 3 the numerator? Because it is above the division line. This is the division line, and the number which is above the division line is called the numerator. Okay, see, the numerator. All right, and now denominator. What is a denominator? Now look here. Here, so denominator, the number below the division line is called the denominator, just like we have done in the uppercase. In the numerator 3 by 4, I'm using the same example, 3 by 4, so that you won't be confused. So here, what is the denominator? Yes, the number below the division line, that is 4. Alright, just like if I write 3 by 4, the denominator will be the number below the division line, so that is 4 here. Alright, so I hope you are now clear about numerator and denominator. Let us look at the next one. Okay, not this. Okay, let us look at exercise 7.3 now. Question number 1. Write the fractions whose numerator and denominator are given. So n here means numerator and d means denominator. Okay, so here it is given numerator is 1, right, and denominator is 2. So how do you write the fraction? You just draw the division line, and whatever the numerator is, you write above the division line, and whatever the denominator is given, you write below the division line. So you get 1 by 2. This is the fraction. Okay, so you got 1 by 2 for the first one. Question number 1b, look, it's given numerator is 13 and denominator is 17. So the fraction you get is 13 by 17, because it's given numerator is 13 and denominator is 17. So above the division line you will write 13, and below the division line you will write 17. That is how you write fraction when the numerator and denominators are given. Okay, so this is also quite easy. I hope you have understood this. And question number 3 is also similar. Look here. Write the numerator and denominator of each fraction. So here, what is given? Here fraction is given, so you will write the numerator. What is the numerator here? The numerator here is 10. Why is it 10? Because the number above the division line here is 10, right? See, and below, what is below? 13. So it will be denominator, right? Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you have not, let me show you in the second one also. Question number 3b, the fraction is given 5 by 6. Okay, so here denominator is, don't get confused. Okay, always look at the question that is given carefully. What is, it's not given numerator here. Here it is given, we should find denominator. So here denominator is the number below the division line, that is 6. Okay, and what is numerator? Numerator is always above the division line, so it is 5. Okay, so this is how we write the denominator, numerator, whenever whatever is asked when the fraction is given. Okay, so this will be for today's class. I hope everything is clear, and if you have any doubts, you can always text me, okay, in my personal number, and I will make a separate video again, okay, and I will give you the homework in the WhatsApp group, okay. So I hope you will be able to do it. This class is very easy, okay. So see you in the next class.